Now, if you look back to your Splitsvilla ki journey,
Yeah.
like, Splitsvilla ki journey, and then, you were also like, probably, not probably, but you are one of India's supermodel, like, genuinely right now.
Thank you.
So, I mean, how has your journey evolved, since, doing the modeling and then going to Splitsvilla and being one of the major faces of Splitsvilla? So,
I think, see, I'll tell you, I never wanted to be a model.
Sure.
I was a medical student, then I went into designing.
Okay.
I wanted to be a designer, then modeling happened to me, and I'm very thankful for that.
Yeah.
Mumbai has been really grateful, blessed for me, and I've been really grateful because जो भी career बना मेरा यहीं पे आके मुंबई में बना, modeling का भी I'm still working on it. Modeling, I think it has been a beautiful journey for me, and इससे पहले मॉडलिंग से पहले भी मैंने INTM से शुरू किया था, इंडियाज़ नेक्स्ट टॉप मॉडल. तो वो भी एक रियलिटी शो था, बट आई वाज वेरी नाइव देयर. आई वाज वेरी रॉ.
You were 18 back then.
I was around 19, 20. It was in 2018.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
तो मैं बहुत छोटी थी यार. मैं I didn't understand the मेरे को ऐसा लगता था कि सच्ची में रियल होता है, मतलब ऐसे बस जाना है आपको. And मुझे नहीं लगता था कि आपको ऐसे ना प्लानिंग थोड़ा सा करना पड़ता है. Like you need to be smart enough. And honestly I was not smart that time. कि मैं ऐसे खेलूंगी, उसको हराऊंगी, ये करूंगी. I was very nice to everyone, but still I made it to top 3 because I think I have that capability. I performed really good. I have that confidence, and I think everybody should have that. तो वो हुआ, उसके बाद मॉडलिंग हुआ, मॉडलिंग से वापस से रियलिटी शोज. I think it's all about change. It's a universe thing. It's a change. You need to accept the change. मुझे ऐसा लगता था मैं सिर्फ मॉडल बनती रहूँगी. उसके बाद क्या, मेरे को है कि लाइफ में हर चीज़ बदलाव की तरफ जाना है. अगर आज मैं रियलिटी शो कर रही हूँ, मे बी इन फ्यू इयर्स आई वांट टू गेट इनटू एक्टिंग. आई वांट टू गेट इनटू, अभी मेरे को डांस नहीं आता, मे बी आई विल ट्राई डांसिंग, लाइक एनीथिंग. तो आई एम वेरी अडैप्टेड टू चेंज लाइक अराउंड मी. सो वो मॉडलिंग हुआ, रियलिटी शो हुआ, एंड आई एम एक्सेप्टिंग. आई डोंट वांट टू सिट एंड कि हाँ एक ही बोरिंग करते जाओ. मेरे को चाहिए.
बट यू ऑलवेज वांटेड टू बी इन द मीडिया इंडस्ट्री?
आई डोंट नो. बचपन में मेरी एक फोटो है जिसमें लिखा है मिस वर्ल्ड, ऐसे ना वो बना हुआ था, क्या बोलते हैं, फैंसी ड्रेस कॉम्पिटिशन. सो आई हैड दैट. आई वाज इन 6th और 7th स्टैंडर्ड एंड आई हैड दैट. तो आई थिंक कहीं ना मेरे फैमिली में कोई भी नहीं है. They all are from government jobs. Nobody is from media. Nobody is from this profession. And I think I was the one bold enough to get my hands into this. And my mom was like really scared when I went for INTM. She was like, तू बिकिनी पहन के जाएगी, सब देखेंगे टीवी पे आएगा. तो मम्मी आप मना करोगे तो मैं नहीं जाऊंगी. But I really wanted to do this. So my family has been very supportive in this.
And that too coming from Ajmer. I mean, that's
I think very supportive. They have never stopped me from going anywhere, from choosing my own profession, from wearing any kind of clothes. I think that is the one thing everybody should learn कि जितनी आप restriction लगाओगे ना, बच्चे को उतना वो चीज़ try करने को मन करेगा. But if you just guide them right and trust them, I think you can reach high and कभी नाक नहीं कटनी.
Wow. So in Splitsvilla, when you were there, like now if you look back, is there something that you would want to change? Anything that has happened in Splitsvilla, or if you would have done something differently?
I think है ना फिनाले वाला जो मटका था ना, I think 5 सेकंड में बचा. I would have changed. मतलब मैं हर्ष को समझाती कि मटके पे हाथ नहीं लगा. I think वो change करना.
Apart from that, nothing else.
I think I don't regret anything in life. जो भी होता है for a reason it happens. एंड आज मैं जहाँ भी हूँ उसकी बदौलत. अगर मैं हर्ष से नहीं मिली होती, अगर वो सब चीज़ें नहीं होती, तो आई थिंक इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्ड हमारा बनता भी नहीं. एंड स्प्लिट्सविला मतलब एक रीज़न था जब मेरे साथ सिचुएशन लाइफ में ऐसी चल रही थी. 4 दिन पहले आई वाज कॉल्ड फॉर द ऑडिशन एंड आई वेंट देयर एंड आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू अ लॉट. सो आई थिंक दैट वाज एन एस्केप कि मैंने सोचा कि भगवान मुझे रास्ता दिखाया. तो मे बी गॉड वाज प्लानिंग इट फॉर मी. यू गो फ्रॉम हियर टू देयर एंड माय लाइफ हैज चेंज्ड अपसाइड डाउन. ट्रस्ट मी. अगर आप मुझे कुछ महीनों पहले मिलते ना स्प्लिट्सविला से भी, you wouldn't have recognized me this. I was a very different person. I was like trapped in my own world and I just wanted to get out of it. And I think that was Splitsvilla एक जरिया था वहाँ से निकलने का, and I am very thankful.
And you just right now before the shoot you said that you were introvert. Now you are not.
Like not that introvert, but I was not bold or strong enough But abhi it's like कि after those trolling, after those you know depression, anxiety and everything, जो Splitsvilla के telecast उनके बाद भी आया था, and I was coming from all this profession and everything, I've never faced anything like that. So जब वो आया ना, तो it was new for me. It was not, I was not able to accept it, and people were making fun कि हाँ ठीक है वो उसको वो deserve करते हैं ये वो. It's easier to say, but जिसके ऊपर बीतती है that person knows. But it's okay. मेरे साथ Harsh was there. I don't care if anybody was there or not, but he stood there. And I think we had each other's support, and we conquered that.
Yeah.
We conquered that, and we are here.
And you know, I just want to say, like, you know, probably in this Splitsvilla, you were the one, you know, who were very decisive. You were taking stand for everyone. Like, you know, probably there are a lot of people who were just holding back what they have to say, but you were like, you know, what you have to say, you have to say, and that's why you were supportive to everyone. Like with Shobika, like Ishita, with everyone. I guess, you know, you were like.
I am a person. मेरे लिए जो सही है वो सही है, जो गलत है वो गलत है. इवन आपने देखा होगा मेरी और हर्ष की बहुत बार नहीं बनी थी. लाइक वी वर ऑन डिफरेंट स्केल कि हाँ उसको वो सही लग रहा है, मुझे कुछ और सही लग रहा है. मैं कहती हूँ ना मुझे गलत लगेगा तो मैं बोलूंगी. अगर आप उससे, वो मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव है, वो मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है. इफ यू आर ओके विद योर पर्सपेक्टिव, आई एम ओके विद माय पर्सपेक्टिव, सो आई एम वेरी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड.
No, but that's the best part about you. I mean you were probably the most impressive personality on Splitsvilla, and out loud personality, like, you know, very amazing. So we really liked you for that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for that.